Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can play Geoguessr with friends. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy on how you can play Geoguessr. So here as you can see you have to go to Geoguessr with your friend and you need to create an account. So if you want to play with your friend, you just need to go to party, and right over here you will see two options. First one being join with code and the other one being party. So if you press on party, you'll see this. Now, in order to play parties or invite your friends, you have to unlock parties or have a friend that has this pro feature. So here as you can see, if you want to play with your friends, you need to get this feature right over here, which is basically um, for like 2.99, and you can just do community play, and you can host public and play games along, and you can play anywhere. So you or your friend have to unlock this paid version, and then you can directly join your friend's party like this, and you can just play it like that. And yeah, and this is it on how you can play Geoguessr with friends. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.